Hello everyone, it's me, Merve. If you don't know me yet, I'm a civil engineer who loves her curly hair. So if you want to see more videos about hair care or especially about curly hair care, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a reason to do this video in English, but I will explain it later. For now, I just want to thank Link app for sponsoring my video. So in this video, as you can see, I'm gonna show you 5 different cool, cute, curly hairstyles for any occasion. So let's get started. In the first one, I'm gonna combine pigtails with a bubble hairstyle. Believe me, it looks super cute and it's really easy to do this. For this one, you just need 8 pink elastic hair ties and 2 black elastic hair ties. I love loosening the front of my hair because I don't know, otherwise I feel a little bit ugly when I am like this. I don't know, it looks a little bit weird to me, but if you don't feel comfortable with them, you don't have to do that. So I'm gonna give you a secret for this hairstyle, because the most important thing for this hairstyle is trust the process. Because I know it doesn't look very cute right now, it looks a little bit weird, but just trust the process, girl, and you will see it will look really cute. You just have to keep loosening your hair like this, and then you will see it will look very cute. I love this hairstyle because this one really belongs to summer, right? So what do you think? Alright, let's skip to the second one. For this hairstyle, you need a comb to split your hair and some elastic ties to tie your hair, of course. And to add some glow on your hair, some beautiful claw clips. Okay, I don't know what you think about braid hairstyles, but I really love them because you can use braids for any occasion, like on street styles or beach hairstyles, or for a wedding celebration. You can wear them anywhere. But I know my curl friends have a question in their mind. Merve, I have curly hair. How can I braid my hair? That's a good question. Dear curl friend, just be patient and watch my video, because in 2 seconds you will see it's not that difficult. Look. This is easy. You just need to focus on one area and just tie other ones, okay? Just focus on these and tie them with a scrunchie, and then you will see that it's really easy. Of course, maybe you need to detangle your hair first, but as you can see, I don't need it. It's really easy to braid it. Right now, this hairstyle looks cool, right? But I just want to add some glow to it. So for this, I'm gonna add some flowers on it. Isn't that beautiful? Please let me know what you think, because it's really important to me. I love this, but I don't know, maybe you didn't. Alright everyone, before showing other lovely hairstyles, I want to talk about something important. As you can see, as you can realize, I'm not a native English speaker, but I wanted to do this video in English because I just wanted to encourage you to speak English or any language that you want to speak or learn. But if you don't know how to do that, I'm gonna recommend you an app. It's Linga. You can learn more than 50 languages with this app. Most language apps focus on just popular languages, but with Link app you can learn any language that you want to speak. And also the exercises in the Link app neither too difficult nor too easy. This is really important because if it is too difficult, you easily become overwhelmed. On the other hand, when it's too easy, you get bored easily and you don't learn anything new. I just started learning German, so this app helped me a lot. So I just wanted to recommend to you, because I can learn grammar everywhere, but when it comes to speaking speaking part, it is really difficult and you need something special. Link app offers you a chat box and teaches you how to speak any language. So if you want to have this privilege, you can find the link in the description below. Okay, if you click that link, now I can show you my third hairstyle. I'm sure everyone has a hair clip and loves to use them for any occasion, right? They're super useful. You can have classy look easily with them. So getting that cool, classy, clean girl look, I'm gonna use a black, big, strong hair clip. The strong part is really important if you have dense hair like me. The trick is for that one using a bobby pin to get rid of that crazy clown look. In this way you will look chic, girl. You can go to with this hairstyle any occasion, any event, for example maybe a wedding celebration, maybe a meeting, anything. It looks very convenient for any occasion, but I'm gonna add some glow again. Because I don't go to that important events all the time. I'm always on the street, so I just wanted to have a street hairstyle or beach hairstyle with this way. So I'm putting some seashells and butterflies because I would like to go to the beach with this hairstyle. What do you think? So which one do you prefer? Classy or beachy? Please let me know in the comment below. This one is very important because my special hairstyle is about to come. I just posted this hairstyle on Instagram and you guys were like crazy about that. You were asking about, please show us how to do that. So I just wanted to show you in this video and I'm sure you will love it. So this is the time to show my secret. For this one you just need bobby pins and a hair clip. That is really easy. This one looks very classy and like sleek, and it is really good for bad hair days. Believe me, I just do this hairstyle like in my 5th day and it looks super cool. I didn't want to add any gel or mousse because it's my 3rd day and I don't have any frizz right now. But if you are on the 5th day and if you have frizzy hair, I recommend it to you add some gel on your hair. With this way you will have just that sleek look easily. I could have add some gel or mousse still, but I will show you other hairstyles, so I just didn't want to do that because of that. I just added some water and made my hair curlier. As you know, water is our best friend, so don't be afraid of using it. It's the best product for our hair and it is cheap. So I hope you like this one because I invented this hairstyle. Please thumbs up for this one. Okay, for the last one I have to tell you something. It's a confession. I know this one looks super easy, but believe me, it is the most difficult one to do it. It was really difficult because it really takes time to tie your hair, your curly hair, with those little tiny elastic hair tying, and it is really painful, girl, but I don't know. It looks very cute, so it's worth it. It looks super cute, but my arms getting tired after doing this hairstyle. So this is a warning to my curl friends. And you know, the funniest part is that I just made this hairstyle and I immediately loosened up my hair because I just wanted to make another one, and I looked and I saw that I didn't record it, so I just made this 2 times and it was 2 times more painful, but everything is for you, so yeah, thank you, you're welcome. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video because this video is really important to me. This is my first video in English. Maybe after this one I may start to make my videos in English. If you like it, please let me know, and if you want to see more videos, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to show your support, you can do that too. Thank you so much for watching me. See See you later and embrace your curls. Allah'ım çok heyecanlıydım.